Hello guys, welcome back another video. Today in this video we will talk how to cancel the ultimate alpha stack. The brand is the Beyond, you can select alpha. So how you can cancel your subscription on this platform. So in this video I'm going to provide you very easy method by which you can cancel your subscription. So first of all, what you have to do, you need to visit on their official website, the alpha beyondalpha.co. okay, beyondalpha.co. And this is the website beyondalpha.co, and in the very bottom side there is a button manage subscription. Okay, and once you tap on manage subscription, it will pop up a new window like this one. In this window you need to enter your email ID, and you need to click like continue option. And once you select continue option, they will provide you can select link in your email. And once you log in into your email by using same link, you can manage your subscription very easily. If you are not a technical person, if you are facing issue related to cancellation, so in this case what you need to do, you need to compose an email format you can see on your screen. So this is the email format. You need to compose an email related to subscription cancellation. You need to provide your account email ID, a subscription starting date, end date, and you need to provide information by which they can verify you. And in the email you need to provide a valid reason why you want to cancel. In the subject you need to provide you want to cancel your subscription plan. And once your email done, in the end you need to ask a proof of cancellation, and you need to send this email at their email address like support@beyondalpha.co. and once they receive your email, they will contact you regarding your cancellation, subscription of cancellation. Okay, and once you get your proof of cancellation, it means your subscription is cancelled. And if you don't get any proof of cancellation, it means your subscription is active, and you need to keep in touch with their customer support team until you don't get any proof of cancellation. And make sure, try to cancel your subscription before at least 24 hours of your next billing date, or you can 48 hours. My recommendation is you need to provide at least 3 to 5 business days notice period. Okay, so by which they can process your request very easily, and you have enough time to cancel your subscription without any extra charges. Okay, so this is the information. Now if you have any other questions, you can make a comment. I will reply you very soon, and thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.